Okay, it's time to clean the floor. What we gotta do, set this down here, get it down. Need to clean out all these cracks to make sure we have enough room to put the grout in here so it stays in there. And when you're doing this, if you think you can do it any better, you just go for it.
We sold Rusty's!
Beautiful sunny day. And look at these weeds that are coming up. Get a little closer maybe. There we go. Now how often do you get a lawn that has such a beautiful weed? Take you over here without getting you sick being that close. There's these little flowers here too. Oh. As you can see, it's a beautiful sunny day. And I don't know if we're going to get this done, but this is where we're going to put an unknown tree here and maybe a couple unknown blueberries. We don't know yet. It's kind of on hold at the moment. In the ditch here, you got those mud buggies coming up. Oh! They just spit up the clay out of the ditch. There's a few of them. There's some standing all over them. That's okay, they'll redo them. They're all over in your ditches mainly. But these aren't the good ones you want to dig up and try to eat, because you'd have your whole ditch dug up with just a couple. And you want kind of something that has cleaner water if you were to catch them for yourself. So anyway, that's good enough for now. So Matt came in here and got the first wiping, which all he did mainly was scrub the heavy stuff off. And now it needs to be cleaned properly, because as it dries it's going to have that heavy haze. But otherwise, at the moment, it's looking good. And I don't think that turned out bad either.
Is everybody okay over here, guys?
Floor is done. Just setting the cabinets in and starting to screw them together.